Hello, I'm Dr. Priya Deshpande, associated with Institute of Industrial and Computer Management and Research as an associate professor and head research cell. I have been nominated for ASDF Best Professor Global Award 2020. I feel privileged to work in the institute that has been affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, famously known as Oxford of East, and has rich legacy of education. I have mastered in statistics, MBA in HR, and continue my learning journey with PhD in statistics from Santa Gadke Baba Amravati University. To my credit, with 20 years of experience, I authored 2 books on aptitude and shortcut methods in mathematics. I have published 3 papers on my PhD topic and few more in other areas in national and international journals. I have mentored more than 100 students of MCA, Bachelor of Physiotherapy and Master of Physiotherapy for their academic and internship and industrial projects. I have contributed in Savitribai Phule Pune University, MCA syllabus designing and revision, and work in the University Question Paper Setting Committee as a moderator and member of the Mathematical and Statistical Papers of MCA course. As an academic research coordinator, I always encourage our faculty members and students to participate in innovation and research competitions like Smart India Hackathon and Avishkar. I feel proud to share that our students are selected as a finalist team in Smart India Hackathon from last 3 years. After having close to 2 decades of experience, I can vouch for the fact that my student is my major strength of motivation and inspiration to be better every day. I feel statistics is the subject which can be better understood with the help of practical orientation. Hence, I always try to incorporate games, activities and daily examples in classroom along with the theoretical learning so that they should not have the fear of subject in their mind. I feel I am successful to some extent in it. Soon we are entering into 2021. I wish all a safe and healthy new year. Thank you.
Hello, this is Dr. Deepali Savai, Director IICMR MCA. I know Dr. Priya Deshpande since 2005, so more than 15 years. I have known her as a sincere, hardworking faculty, and she is one of the strongest pillar of our college. I recommend her for this Best Professor award, and I'm confident that I'm going to see her with this trophy in her hand. All the best and thank you.
Hi, I am Saurabh Kulkarni. I work as Senior Manager in Tata Communications. I am extremely lucky to be part of IICMR, especially because of the teachers in the institute. Professor Dr. Priya Deshpande teaches subjects of mathematics and statistics, and I find her methodology of teaching makes the subject more interesting. The professor's enthusiasm over her course is really contagious, and it helped me to develop more interest in the subject. She always welcomes the questions, no matter how trivial they are, and she always encourages us, saying that the questions were important and insightful. She explains the concepts of mathematics with real-world application, and it makes even easier to understand the complex concepts. In today's world of emerging data science, where the concept, methodologies and algorithms of statistics are very much required for day-to-day job, her ability to impart knowledge from basic to advanced concepts enables students to be at their best. I thank her for all the help and guidance she has been providing for all of us to excel in our career. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sumanto Datta, PhD Research Scholar at NIT Rourkela, Odisha, India. I was a student at IICMR College in year 2010 to 2013 and was a student of Dr. Priya Deshpande. I know her from past 10 years. From being a student of her in my MCA course at IICMR, she took varied subjects like optimization technique, discrete mathematics, research methodologies and many more. And I want to tell about her qualities as researcher's point of view, as I'm currently doing my research. So I want to tell about her qualities as researcher's point of view. For being a good researcher, we need to have essential 6 qualities, such as searching for information, attention to detail, taking notes, time management, problem solving, and communicating our results. She helped us to develop these skills in our research methodology subject. I remember that while studying my MCA, I presented a paper at national conference where she helped me a lot in formulating my problem statement, defined my scope, and helped us in data analysis part. Because of her efforts, our paper got the best award at the national conference. Currently in my PhD, as well as at the time of doing my MTech, while writing my thesis for MTech, it benefited me a lot, which was taught by her during research methodology subject. I would always be thankful to her to teaching and sharing research knowledge with me. Thank you.